For more tips and tricks, don't forget to hit that button and subscribe. Also, ring the bell so you can get notifications anytime I have new videos. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because you could win one of these super cool guns by Easy Pro Texture and 3 bags of texture spray. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to tell y'all how you can enter to win a gun, 3 bags, and a compressor. Welcome to Paul's Toolbox. I'm Paul Ricalde, and first of all, I want to thank all of you guys out there who sent me comments, who sent prayers to me, and stuck with me through the hard times because it's been a rough couple of years. But I'm on the mend, or I'm still working on things, and things are getting better. I'm going to be painting some cabinets soon, but I want to show you how you can do it yourself, and you won't need all the professional equipment. I'm going to show you how you can paint your cabinets with this, rather than a sprayer. And you will have it just as smooth as if you sprayed it. Because I've been doing it for years, I know it works. And you'll see how I do this. It's called dry rolling. I came up with this technique years ago, and it works perfectly. You're gonna need a mini roller that's microfiber or wool. Those are the 2 that I use. I don't like to use foam, and I'll tell you why. Foam rollers will tend to squish out paint, and it'll leave little bubbles. And you don't want that because those bubbles sometimes will dry and you'll have a little texture on there. You don't want that. You want this to be smooth. Also, you have to put a little bit of pressure on it. When you put that pressure on it, the foam roller will want to slide and not roll on it like a microfiber. You can also use a wool roller, but the microfiber rollers on Amazon are so cheap, and they're very, very good, you can't beat them. 12 of them for $12. $1 a piece. I got it on Amazon Prime, shipped to my house for free. I'm getting ready to do my kitchen in the very near future with the Gallery Series paint. I don't know how well it holds up over time, and I will have a video on that. But I can tell you, it looks awesome. It's pretty darn hard. I ran a key across it and I didn't scratch anything. It looked great. And it comes out really smooth. It's very forgiving. It's waterborne, super easy to clean up, and it has the same characteristics as your lacquer paint. I rolled this out and you can't even tell. It looks like it was sprayed. Before that though, when I talked to Sherwin-Williams about this, they said do not roll or brush this. You have to spray it because the flash time is short and you can't get it to match. When they told me I couldn't get it to match, I told them I think I can, and if I do, I'm going to come back and show you guys. I took the back side of this door, I sprayed one side, put a piece of tape on it, and I brushed and rolled the other side. Well, this side, you can see, has been brushed and rolled. This side, as you can see on the inside of it, it has been sprayed. I brought it over there. They couldn't tell me the difference. They were surprised. So, I know I can do it, and you can too. We're going to get started on this. I'm going to show you easy step-by-step ways to do this, and you'll be able to do your kitchen in no time. They made this paint similar to lacquer, so its characteristics are a lot like lacquer. It will dry super fast. Do not paint this in the sun. You want to make sure it's in a shade or a controlled environment. The reason why I say do not use a foam roller is because you cannot put pressure on it. You want to put pressure on this and make it flat. I waited 15 minutes till it was dry to touch, and I'm using steel wool. I'll have a link in the description box where you can get it. You can find it at any one of your stores, but just look for quadruple steel because that is super fine and it will knock off the little tiny things that might be on there. You'll come back over and wipe it with a good damp rag, or you can use a tack cloth. Applying my second coat, super simple. It just takes a minute and you will follow the same steps. Make sure that you get all of your crevices. You don't have any puddles anywhere. You don't have anything sticking out anywhere where it's going to take time to dry and you're going to have runs or puddles. This is super simple to do. Roll the whole thing out. Now I'm hitting my edges. That's why I put it up on a stand. The first time I didn't, but no big deal. This coat and the next coat with the edges and it's fine. You repeat the process one more time and you're done. Before you run down to your local Sherwin-Williams stores and purchase this, I want to let you know it's $130 a gallon. It's not cheap, but to me it's well worth it. I'm painting my entire kitchen for $260 and I'm going to have plenty left over to touch up later down the line or do some other furniture pieces if I want. So with today's economy, you think about it. You're going to spend $50 or $60 on a decent latex paint. This is much harder than latex. It's made for cabinets. I spend more than $130 on gas in a week. With today's economy, I guess that's not too bad. On my next video, I'm going to show you how you can take this and make it look like this. I actually repair the applied molding. I did it on this door before I painted it, and now you can't even tell. It matched perfectly. I'm going to show you an easy way to do it, and you're not going to believe how it's done. Now for the Easy Pro Texture giveaway, all you have to do is drop a comment below and subscribe to the channel. I need a way to get in touch with you. We are going to have 2 winners for a gun, 3 bags, and oh, I almost forgot, we'll have a mixer thrown in there with it. This mixer is fantastic. You can mix your gallon paint with it. You can stick it into tight spots like this to whip this mud up. It will make this bag of texture last 3 years if you use this mixer. Now to win a compressor along with an entire kit, all you have to do is click the link in the description box for easyprotexture.com. Go to the contact page, scroll down, you'll put your name, your email address, and Paul's Toolbox in the subject. And if you want, you can put drawing in the messages. It's only used to get in touch with you so they can mail you out a compressor and the whole kit. Please hit like, subscribe, and share my video. I'm back, and I'll see you guys on the next project.